Jurassic Park to me.
I know.
Go, there's the natives. It seriously is kind of creepily scary here. Oh, Jurassic Park's awesome, come visit us. And then the pterodactyls got loose and the velociraptors.
Yeah. Mom, those are babies.
Where?
Those right there.
Right here?
Yeah.
Those big elephants?
Yeah, those are babies.
I don't know about all that. Is that them?
What? Making the sound?
Yeah. How cute is that? Oh, they're so cute. I'm telling you, this is scary though. It's like empty, like we're the only ones here. Look at all this neat stuff. Malia, don't turn sideways, you disappear. Wow, there's like nobody here. It's like,
This is scary.
it's creepy. Ooh, look how big that is.
Those are the Jurassic Park gates right there.
That's what I thought looked like Jurassic Park.
I don't think we're supposed to go by.
Why would they even need that amidst all these little gates?
Okay, let's go from the gate.
Wait a minute. There's where the velociraptors are kept, I guess, in here, because obviously it's much safer. Oh, I guess we're gonna have little elephant shows and make the elephant stand on a ball or something. Poor elephants. I'm not buying another zoo pass, FYI. But anyway, it's cool.